Hola, hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup haul. Yay! I'm very excited to do this makeup haul because I waited so long to receive my package. With this whole COVID-19 going on, package delivery is taking forever and we cannot go into stores. So I'm very excited of this makeup haul. I ordered products from MAC. I ordered the Selena collection. Bitty bitty bamba, ooh, oh, oh, sensacional. Yeah, anyway, sorry for my singing. I know I'm not the best singer, but I ordered the Selena collection. Whatever I could order, whatever I was able to order, I ordered everything that was not sold out. So welcome with me to see this makeup haul. Because it was also the Mother's Day, all the Mother's Day going on that they were having for that month. They gave me this little cute bag. Look how cute this makeup pouch is. It's so red and beautiful. So, welcome. Let's see, guys, what I got. All these goodies. Oh, I'm so excited. So, I got this makeup bag. It's really cute. It's very small. It can fit in my purse. I also got this lipstick. Look how beautiful they did it. Look, they actually took time and looked into like packaging. Look how beautiful that package is. And this is called Selena Vive. Ooh, Selena Vive. Let's see how it is. This is actually a lipstick. And ooh, that's such a nice color. I just want to try it on. I know I had a nude color, but it's a nude color, if you could tell. It's very beautiful. Wow. I can't wait to try it on and do a makeup tutorial on these colors, guys. Seriously. Then there is... I'm going to be opening all of them in lipstick. So then there's this one. Look, it's like gorgeous packaging. Like, gorgeous. And this is called... Dame un beso. Dame un beso, por favor. And this is, ooh, look how gorgeous that color is. This is, I think it's a lipstick, but it's a matte lipstick. Ooh, look, that is just gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh, Dame un beso. I think I'm gonna really like this one. And I'm gonna be down to people. Dame un beso. Dame un beso. Tú sabes. Dame un beso. I don't know. I just threw myself. I just threw myself on there. This is called Big Berta. And, ooh, it's a nude color too. So that's gorgeous. Look how gorgeous that is. And it's like this. Ooh, that's gorgeous, guys. That's gorgeous. I think I'm going to enjoy these colors a lot. Then I have another lipstick. Oh, no, this is lip gloss. This is Bitty Bitty Bum Bum. Ooh. Ooh, look how glittery that lipstick is, guys. Like, it's beautiful. And I'm just going to do a swatch right there. Look. Ooh. I am going to like this lipstick. Lip gloss, not lipstick, lip gloss. Then I ordered this lipstick. And this was called Inolvidable. So it's another like pinkish nude. So this is going to be nice. For like a natural color, that'll be very gorgeous. Like a natural peachy color, that'd be very, very gorgeous. Then, let me do the Selena collection first. Then I ordered a lip liner. Look how beautiful that is. And this is called Entre a mi mundo. Entre a mi mundo. ¿Y qué mundo es ese? And it's this lip liner. Look how gorgeous it is. Like, look. It's, like, gorgeous. I don't want to use these colors. For real, guys. Like, and then, like, that's how the lip liner looks. Wow. I'm so impressed, guys. I'm so, so impressed. Then I bought the eyeshadow. Oh, look at this flor. It's como la flor, como la flor. I was a Selena fan growing up, so yes, it hit really hard. Even though I was small, it hit me really hard when Selena died. I remember my mom picked me up from school and my sister because I was just crying. Selena died. A fan, an icon. And look at that, guys. Like, look how gorgeous. Like, look. They even put a picture of Selena. And look at these colors. Oh my God. They're amazing. Like, I can't. Let me do a swatch for you guys. So, look. I'm doing the 4 top ones. Look how gorgeous that is. And now I'm going to do the 4 bottom ones. From the bottom. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to play with these colors. Look how pigmented they are. Ooh. I got the chills, guys. I really did. I can't wait to play with them and do a tutorial on makeup with them. And then I got La Leyenda. And this is a skin finishing powder. So it's a highlighter. When she was wearing her little strapless that she's known for. Oh, and they put another one. How beautiful that is. It's a flower. Oh my gosh. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it, guys. I'm sorry. But look. It's a finish. Look, oh, that's so gorgeous, guys. I can't wait to use it. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, honestly speaking. It's too gorgeous. Then I bought the lip liner. Now this is done the Selena collection. I am done with the Selena collection. That's all I got from the Selena collection. Then I got a liner, and this is called Soar Liner. Everybody knows, everybody uses Soar. It's a very beautiful eyeliner, lip liner. Look how beautiful. It's like a pinkish color. And I think it's going to go beautiful with this one. Like, oh, I already made a match. A true match. Like, look. I got the Soar lip liner. And then I got lipstick. No, actually, I got another lip liner. And this is called Spice. Because I like to keep it spicy. And look at this lip liner. Look at it. Look. It's like, it's gorgeous, guys. If you could tell, I like the nude lipsticks. And I like the nude color. Sometimes I like being scandalous. And I will be a little bit scandalous. But yes. Then I got Connie. This red lipstick. This came with the Mother collection. I think the Mother's Day collection. And this one is just like so. So it's not that red. It looks really red here. But like on me, on my complexion, it's not that red. It looks like a sheer red. So I think I would like that one because I don't really like red colors. I like more of the sheer red colors on me. I'm not too sure why. Then I got Stay Curious. I'm always curious. So this one, let's see what color this is. To be honest with you guys, I don't really remember what I ordered. So right now you're with me. Stay Curious is, ooh, a matte color. Okay. If you can tell, I like the brownish colors. I like that color. I like it. I'm feeling it. Then I ordered No Interruptions. But I don't know if this one I ordered or it came with the Mother's Day collection. So this one, let's see how you open it, guys. Ooh. Is there instructions? Oh, here, you turn it. Okay, you turn it. Oh, it's a lip gloss. And then look. Okay. It's a lip gloss. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. It's a little bit redder than what I'm feeling, but I'm feeling it. And then I order Dubbin. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this wrong, guys. You guys could correct me in the comments below. And that one is like that. Okay, it's like a more brown red. You see, if you see, I am in the brownish colors. And that is my makeup. And I ordered some stuff from Sephora. I haven't got it back. They only sent me one thing from Sephora. On all the package I ordered, only sent me the one thing. And they sent me this neon package from Huda Beauty. So look how beautiful this color. Look how beautiful this packaging is. And look at these colors. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to try them on. Guys, really, like, seriously. That is gorgeous colors. Oh, wow. I'm so impressed. Like, I'm really impressed with what I got, guys. I really like what I got, and I can't wait to do makeup tutorials with them, play with them, and see what craziness I come up with. But stay tuned, see the makeup tutorial. But that's like my mini haul, guys. I hope you guys enjoy what I got and that it took forever to get here. But I can't wait to play with them and show you guys what I have next, planned up next on my face. I don't know what I sing. I really don't know what I sing. But anyways, guys, hopefully you like, subscribe to my channel, and comment below, and click the bell for you to get notification when I upload my next video. Adiós, mi amores, los amo. Sensacional. Yeah.